Hello and welcome to How to Create a Video Using Canva. My name's Saley Clark. I'll be your instructor for the duration of this video. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you learn a lot. And in case you haven't watched any of my other videos, at this point you should have a little bit of housekeeping. You should have already gone to canva.com and signed up for your free Canva account, which is what we are using for demonstration purposes here in the videos. So if you haven't done that, please go there, or there's a link for your convenience below this video. You can get there as well. And just so you know, you can also sign up to Canva using Facebook, your Facebook account, or your Google account. So there's a variety of ways to get going with Canva. All right, that being said, we'll get back into how to make a video using Canva. We're going to show you real quick today. This is your Canva dashboard. And the first place you're going to go is you're going to go to Projects or Designs. So you're going to want to pick a template. And for the sake of brevity for this video, I am going to go to projects I already have open. I'm going to use this one. This is, I believe, a YouTube thumbnail size. You can use whatever size you want. So then once you have your design up, you're going to go over here to the left-hand side menu, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one down, the little cloud with the arrow, and uploads. You're going to click on that. So as I said, you're going to go to the main menu. You're going to click on design, pick your design, then you're going to come over here to the left and go to uploads. Click on that, and it'll show any photos you may have in here. Of course, there's a picture of myself, me and my better half. Another picture I used for marketing, and just a little cute fella here that I had and used for an example in another video. So this is what you'll see here, even using a Canva free account. It'll have images, and then in the middle it'll have video, and then on the right-hand side, it'll say audio, so you can select there. Just as an aside, I want to show you this. Videos. You can do it from Google Drive, Dropbox, Facebook, Instagram, and some other blessed thing here. I can't recall at the moment what this is, but there's a variety of ways to get videos from your social media to your Canva. So if you wanted to use one and stick it in here, you can do that as well. But for these purposes, you're going to want to create a video, so you're going to click record yourself. And then what Canva is going to do, hi guys, hello, that's me, real, live and in living color. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pick, it's going to ask permissions, and you're going to have to give it permissions. It'll be in the upper left-hand corner of your screen to use your microphone. And so that'll allow Canva to use your microphone and then to use your camera as well. So as you can see here, I've already picked default headset microphone for this. And if you're looking for these settings, if you get turned around, in the upper right-hand corner is where you can control these settings. So I've already picked the camera that's on my computer right here. And then I've picked the default headset microphone that I have here on my face. And then what you're going to do is that you're going to hit record. And if you hit record, it's going to ask you, it's going to have you count down. And then you can start recording and doing stuff of that nature. And once you are done your video, you can look at it and see how it's done. So you're going to click done, and you're going to click here to watch it. And I'm not sure if the audio on this is going to bleed through, seeing as we're doing another recording at this point. So let me hit play and see how it goes. And then you can start recording and doing stuff of that nature. And once you are done your video, you can look at it and see how it's done. So I just checked that. I don't know if you could hear it in this video or not, but you may or may not hear it depending on how this software has picked it up. But that was a video right there of me speaking into it. If you wanted to do a first-person video, like you're recording your screen, if you're comfortable with being on camera, and I am, you would shoot your video and then you'd have it right on here. So then you can take this and you can drag it around and you can put your video wherever you want. So you're going to click done. Pause again on that one. And you can change the shape of it here. You can move it around here. And then you can start recording and doing stuff with that. How you make a video in Canva if you want to do it first person. Now, if you want to do it beyond first person, if you want them to see your screen, like if you're doing a tutorial like we are now, and you're comfortable showing your face, you can do camera and screen. I'll show you here, switch recording mode, yes. I have an existing recording on this page, okay. But for the sake of our purposes, it's going to ask what you want to record. So let's say I was doing a tutorial, go for a window, and then what you're going to do is you're going to pick your window. There we go. Hi, everybody. I just lost my dang place. Oh, goodness. Let me hit pause, collect myself 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now that I got my act together, let's try that again. And so, as you can see, I'm speaking here. This would be a first-person video. This is what it would look like on your Canva design. You'd be talking, and you have that there. And you can download this whole thing once it's done in your Canva design. You can put it anywhere you want. So now I'm going to go from first person like this to camera and screen. Going to click this. And then we're going to see, I'm going to use Windows. So if I was doing a tutorial for, let's say, how to use another tool, I'm going to go to, go to a tab. I'm going to go to this one, pick what you want. Then I'm going to click share. And then you're sharing right here. I want to go back and make sure that that's set up the way you want. Now you can see me. Hello, I'm back. So now you have you are confirming that you have the right tab selected in your recorder here in Canva is what I was trying to spit out. And then if you don't like where this is, you can drag it around. Like this is in the way of some things, so I can drag that down and over here if I wanted it to be out of the way of what we're going to show you. So now that you have chosen your tab and you've gone to that tab, you come back to Canva, confirm it's here, and as you can see, the audio is working here, the record button is ready to go, and you can record as you want. So what I would do is go back to the full screen and just, once you click record, you can hop back to that tab and you can talk like I'm talking now and scroll and do whatever you want to teach people how to do videos if that's your thing. And providing the page is big enough in Canva, you can put that onto your own web page, whatever you want to do. Getting a little ahead of myself. But then, if you wanted to actually do, if you're not comfortable with being on camera, you can actually do just the screen, which I clicked on that. And then it'll allow you to pick which screen you want. So I'm going to use this one anyway. And I hit share again. Now, as you can see, it gives you a great big version. It says that you're sharing right now, but you are not recording yet. So you can go back, and as you see, the only difference being you don't have your face, or in this case, my face down here in the corner. So that is what you do if you're doing a tutorial video like this one, but you don't want to be on camera. If you're not comfortable being on camera, that is how you would do it. So if you just wanted to tell somebody about a product or an opportunity or something that you're into, but you don't want to show your face, you can use this particular function for that. All right, so I'm going to go back real quick. We're going to select, I'm not going to record right now because I'm already using another video recorder and that gets complicated and obviously get lost in the shuffle here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this example here, the camera and screen. As soon as it switches over. And I'm going to pick what I wanted to do the tutorial on. Okay, I have the screen. I am checking to make sure the screen reflects and you can see my face. Okay, we're all good. And now I believe I'm going to show you auto record right now. It goes 3, 2, 1. I hop over to the tab I want. Hi, my name's Sealy Clark. I'm going to do a tutorial video. This video is for an example. I'm going to put it into the design and show you right now. So now I have enough video recorded. I'm going to go back to my Canva tab, and what your Canva tab will look like is almost like a red bullseye in your browser. So you can't see that because of the way my video screen is positioned, but directly above, once you do open Canva, you will be able to see the recording tab. So you click back, and as you can see, it is still recording, approximately 35 seconds. It shows my face here. It shows what I was teaching. So once you're done, you can click done. And then it's going to show in video format here. So right now what I have is a YouTube thumbnail sized design in Canva, and I have my video here. So I'm going to play this. I am not sure if it will come through for you, but what you'll be able to see is you'll be able to see the cursor on the screen. You'll see my mouth running over here in the bottom left corner. So what you'd want to do if this was you is to check that the video works. So I'm going to do a tutorial video. This video is for an example. I'm going to put it into the design. So now I just checked that, and I don't know if you can hear it, loyal listener and watcher, but the audio is good for that. And then once you're ready, you just hit save and exit once your video looks good. So I'm going to hit save and exit. I hop over to the tab I want. Hi, my name's Sealy Clark. I'm going to do a tutorial video. This video is for an example. I'm going to put it into the design and show you right now. So now I have enough video recorded. I'm going to go back to my Canva tab, and what your Canva tab will look like is almost like. So once you get that where you want it, and once you check it for audio quality, you can hit pause on it. And if it's not big enough, you can, of course, make the video larger or smaller. If you were using a lead capture page or a landing page or any other promotional page where you had a video, since video does convert so dang well, you can put this on a full-size page if you want to. That's the exciting part. So today, I've shown you how to make a video using Canva. I showed you 3 different ways. The first one would be with just recording first person talking to your camera. The second one is showing somebody how to do something, a tutorial video with you also facing the camera, so they have you talking. They can get to know you and put a face with a name. And then the third version I showed you was if you are camera shy, but you still want to do tutorials, or if you just want to put something up on your screen about your business, product, service, or whatever, and just talk, then you can do a video that way. So thanks again for joining me today. My name's Sealy Clark, and congratulations, you now know how to make a video using Canva. If you have any questions or anything of that nature, feel free to shoot me a question on the good old book or in the comments down below this video. And don't forget to mash all those wonderful buttons and bell icons that are around this video so you can stay up to date and learn more cool stuff. All right, till I talk to you again, have a great day. Bye-bye.